2017 Ford Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel drive, floor mats, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.